Freedom! Biafra! Ayamankwe, 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 I will read the following, and I expect everybody to pay attention. So at exactly 12 noon, we stand and look to the sky and keep a 2-minute silence. For their dreams left unfulfilled and their lives taken too soon away from us, and humanity will remember, and may their courage be our inspiration and strength. That is the chorus.
The second reading. The souls of the righteous are in the hands of the and there shall be no more torment touching them. In the sight of the unwise seem to die, and their departure is taken for misery. They are going from us to be utter destruction, but they are in peace. They are in peace, although they are punished in the sight of men, yet is a home full of immorality, and having been a little distracted, they shall be greatly rewarded for Chukokika Biama, prove them, and they found them worthy for themselves. We remember our brothers and sisters, our fathers and mothers, the children who sacrificed kept the dream of Biafra, faith for truth, love and injustice alive. Captain.
Omar Bali बरोबर
and women who died and who may live. These last offices and honor, paid or dead, provide us an opportunity to express our sense of love and to offer a tribute to their memories, while they enable us likewise to bear witness to our belief in the immortality of the soul. For life cut short and vision unrealized, we remember Lieutenant J.D. Uwezirie, Lieutenant J.U. Uwa, Captain Jonathan Egere, Lieutenant K. J. Waribo, Captain L.C. Dilibe, Major Obi, Major O. Isong, Captain B.C. Okoye, Second Lieutenant B.K. Onyeneho, Second Lieutenant B.D. Ekediyo, Lieutenant S.E. Onwukwe. We remember. Captain S.E. Madwabum. We remember. Major T.E. Nzegu. We remember. Lieutenant B.O. Ibe. We remember. Captain R. Abazwe. We remember. For their dreams left unfulfilled and their lives taken too soon away from us and humanity, we remember. And may their courage be our inspiration and strength. And their lives taken too soon away from us and humanity, we remember. And may their courage be our inspiration and strength. Sergeant Abubu, remember. Sergeant Peter Bassi, remember. Sergeant Robert Bassi, remember. Sergeant Michael Wicked, remember. Sergeant Boniface Utemante, remember. Remember. Sunday Abudi, remember. Anthony Abudi, remember. Paul Udoku, remember. Festus Iwatika, remember. For their dreams, unfulfilled, and their lives taken away from us, and humanity will remember. And their courage and their aspiration and rest.
What can we say? What can we do? How do we bear the unbearable or accept what lies has for our people? We know that all that was born must die. But how do we compare this new knowledge of crime with the callous slaughter and the starvation of the billions of innocents cut off before their time? They live with faith and hope of all but hope. And surely most died with faith in Biafra, our Creator. In life, goodness that even flames cannot destroy. May we find a way to increase the strength of that faith, that trust, that sure sense that life and soul endure beyond this body's strength. We remember Corporal William Abata. We remember Corporal Okore Awu. We remember Corporal Wilfred Azubike. We remember Corporal Renica Green. We remember Corporal Joseph Adaka. We remember Lieutenant Corporal
I take many so that they are optional.
We remember Lieutenant Corporal Maurice Ekwe. We remember Private George Sheffield. We remember Private Cornelius Foa. We remember Private John Lucas Mark.
We remember for their dreams left unfulfilled, their lives taken too soon away from us, and humanity we remember. And may their courage be our inspiration and strength.
Almighty and most merciful Tukuka Biafra, whom we live and move and have our being, and before whom all men must carry an account of the deeds done to the body. We do most earnestly, solemnly beseech thee to impress upon our minds the solemnity and infamy of this day. May we ever remember that in the midst of life we are in death, and so live and act our separate part, that we may have no cause for sorrow or fear when the hour of departure is at hand. And on this we commit our being in pursuit of Biafra nation, in pursuit of a sovereign and independent Biafra nation, that is those of those for whom we have gathered yesterday, for whom we honor and remember, who have died, who paid the ultimate price, who laid down their lives. They find rest in our Creator took that demonstration.
He is a past in this history. He played his role then, and he is playing his role now. Please, may we give him a round of applause.
Biafra!
Freedom!
I cannot hear much, please. We among the living souls, we are not the grave. Biafra!
Freedom!
Biafra!
Freedom!
Freedom!
Biafra!
We are here unto this day because the Lord, the Jehovah Nissi, Jehovah Yahweh, Jehovah Rapha is alive. 50-something years ago, the British government and Nigerian government collaborated and massacred people of Biafra, who lost millions of souls. That's why unto this day, we stand before the Son made by the Most High God to remember the souls who have passed away and to fulfill the promise which the Lord, the Most High God, Elohim, has ordained and assigned the spiritual realm, that Biafra has already assigned the spiritual realm. That no man or woman, boy or girl, will uproot the Biafra land. And whoever that signed and whoever that moved and collaborated to hinder or dismay the nation of Biafra will pass away like this. Before we go on, I want us to have a little reading a scripture. One of the this scripture says, a prayer for the nation's welfare. Lord, thou hast favorable unto the land Biafra. Thou hast brought back the captivity of your nation Biafra. Thou hast forgiven the iniquity of the people of Biafra. Thou hast covered all their sins. Thou hast taken away all their wrath. Thou hast torn the same for the fierceness of their anger. Turn us, O Lord, Most High God, Jehovah Yahweh, Elohim, for our salvation, and cause thy anger turn us to see. Will thou be angry with us forever, O Lord? Thou said so. Will thou throw out the anger from all generations of Biafra? No, because they are full of mercy. Will thou be angry with us forever? Will thou throw out the anger to all the generations? Will thou not receive, revive us again, that all the people may rejoice in thee? Show us your mercy, O Lord, and grant us the salvation. We will hear what you, God, the Lord, will speak. For you will speak unto your people, and to your sake. They then not turn again to folly. Surely, their salvation is near us with them. That's near you. That glory may dwell in our land, therefore. Mercy and truth are made together.
Isike, Aigeweme, Isike Loro, Aigeweme, Alularo, Aigeweme, Isike Loro, Aigeweme.
Biafra!
Freedom!
Biafra!
Freedom!
Freedom!
Biafra!
Every look and corner in Biafra land, we have 11 tribes in Biafra land, and we know ourselves. I stand before the living God. We Biafrans, we have 11 tribes of Biafra, and we know ourselves. And until this day, no man or woman will separate us anymore. Whoever that rise to separate us, divide us, or put a shame into us, let that shame go back to them to sevenfold. We have regained our land, Biafra. The peace and checking together is our bosom. And whoever say that we shall not leave until this day
Shall not leave.
shall not leave.
He said,
The fire that burning in Answer Rock can never stop. Because there's a unquenchable fire is burning in Answer Rock which can never stop. They must give us the freedom of Biafra. Or that fire will burn them to ashes. We have taken our land, Biafra. Nobody will stop it. Our ancestors, which we are remembering today, who have died for us to live until this day, they can never have rest until they give us the peace of freedom of Biafra. Father Chukwuka, Jehovah Yahweh, Jehovah Rapha, Elohim, no one like unto thee, and no one should be like unto thee. You are the Alpha and Omega, beginning and end. Daddy, we stand before you unto this day. Remember what he said unto Moses. When Moses was trying to confuse because of the distress, he asked him, do you know what he has in your hands? He was doubting. He said, remember what he has in your hands, because I'm the one that gave it to you. And Moses got himself, and remember that that's the staff that gave it to him. So that's why our ancestors, whenever they raise, according to their own culture, they are offer and something that follows it up. They remember you. And whenever they answer you, whenever they call you, they answer them in all kinds. That's why they recover that land, which we are possessing right now, to regain back. Because the enemies are fought 1845 to cover our land, but our ancestors, they use all kinds of weapons, not physical weapons, spiritual weapons, but all kinds to secure that land. That's why Idoma is still unto this day, because that's where the bees that kill enemies. So unto this day, we are saying that a man or woman, boy or girl, young or old, whenever you're getting something to sponsor this movement, shall not be, can never lack. All your posts can never lack. And whoever that's trying to block you, that you should lack, or put you in a misery, that person shall end up with the torment. So shall it be in Chukwuka Abiyama.
We are here to create awareness. Onslaught that going on in Biafra land, and the conniving of Fulani herdsmen and the British to wipe the Biafrans out of the map. They will lose. I promise them that, and I assure them they will lose. IPOB is a global family. We're not going to step down or stop our agitation because we are on the right track. Here is Comrade Mbube from Switzerland, Bazel family. Say greeting to the world. Peace to everybody. A man of goodwill. You're welcome, sir. Even na-echekwa ngwụla anyị wụ gburugburu ọdịnala be anyị biko nekwe Nnamdi Kanu ụka akọkwa na ya ọkwa ya wee onye isi ije anyị ebe ọ nọ na ọ ga na-eme gịnị ọ ga na-ewepụta new akọ na uche anyị ga na-eji were na-anọ ya wa ọgụ ndị na ọgụ ahụ ga-ebu very soon ise